What's up, everybody? It's Erlanger Railfan here. I look a little different today. I'll get to that in a second, but I just got here to Erlanger. But we got a signal. We got a approach medium for a medium approach for a southbound to come by. So yeah, I'll be waiting on that. Hopefully, if it gets here in time before I have to get to where I have to be today, to where that's why I'm dressed like this. But it's currently 7:18 in the morning. I just pulled up. But yeah, but I'm dressed like this because I have a orientation interview to become a manager at my work, which I work at the Alexandria Wendy's here in Kentucky. And yeah, so that is at 8:30. So I'm gonna be having an orientation to become a manager. So that's good for me. I'll be making more money, getting better paychecks. So yeah, it's pretty exciting for me. But yeah, I'll be waiting on the southbound. I'll probably be the only train I get to see today, or I might come back out here when I'm done with my orientation. I am not sure, but we'll see. But I will be back when we get the southbound to whatever it will be. All -9's pulling that thing. It came out of nowhere. That was a really short intermodal train. 3 -9s up front, at least less than 100 cars on that train. I hear the horn down there still. That was a nice train. We also got another one coming northbound now. And it's, I do not know what time it is, but I think after this train I'll probably head down to my orientation. But we got a northbound coming, so here we go.